Is something on my face? Is there something different about me? Is something wrong? So something happened over the weekend. Um, this was not like a surprise. This isn't like nothing's wrong. Okay. um, so this is kind of years in the making, in a way. A number of years ago, at least 2 years ago, I was feeling like my hair was at least thinning. It kind of felt like I was going bald, but like my hair was like thinning up here, and um, and I did not want to delay the inevitable, like like put it off as long as I could and like do the wreath thing where I'm bald up here but got hair on the sides. I didn't want to do that. I knew for a fact I did not want to do the wreath thing. So at that point in time, I made a decision. I was like, okay, when I'm 29 years old, I'm calling it quits. I'm cutting it off. 29, that's it. And so a year passed, 2 years passed, and maybe even three. I can't remember exactly when I made the call, but the time came. And my wife, well, I used to have long hair, like ponytail, the whole thing. My wife didn't really want me to go from having a like long hair ponytail to nothing. So, which was fair. And so I got short hair over the holidays and I've had short hair, relatively short hair, for about a month and a half now. And then over the weekend, well, I can't say now anymore because it's gone. Well, I had relatively short hair for about a month and a half. And then this past weekend, uh, I got my last haircut. I wasn't the one to like do the buzzing. I actually asked my mom to do it because I thought it'd be funny. I thought it'd be a unique experience. Why? Because she gave me my first haircut and my last haircut. Bookends, you know what I mean? So yeah, this is the new me, and I like it. I think it's kind of my final form. You know what I mean? I don't know that I'm gonna try and do hair again. You know, it's kind of easy. It's I'm colder. Like I notice it's like colder because of my head, which is the thing. But like only needing to deal with soap in the shower is nice. Because I do soap on this, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so that's the update there. I'm a skinhead now. um, no affiliation with the the gang. Isn't it a gang? I think it's a gang. But yeah, so it's Monday. Was Monday. Just past Monday. And we finished our cipher last time, right? So I had the idea. This might be a horrible idea, but it's an idea. Let's start our programming resume, huh? This might be terrible, but it's something for us to do. So I'm going to pull up a new document on Word, and we're going to do this together. I'm pulling it up over here because there's just I have some other Word stuff up over here, but it's like I journal and stuff, so that's like up over there too. But here, my credits are being a little slow right now. I don't know what's going on, but here is super dark. Hello. Here's our blank document. What we're gonna do is call it Matt Bartsch what, I don't even know what to call this thing. Programming? Software engineer. Software engineer. Resume. Coding resume. Software engineer resume. We'll roll with that for now. And let's actually, we'll get it up here. There we go. So, you see this? Why is it taking so long? I don't know what's the deal is. Man, I'm very bold. So we made a cipher, right? Our resume is going to be very short for now. You know what it is? I wonder if it's, I've got media encoder going. I bet that's what it is. We're going to, well, I want to first do my name. I'm not going to do my address. I will do my address. I won't do that right now. But we'll go Python. When did we start this? I have no idea. You know what we should do? This is what we're going to do. I could just do this over here. What am I doing? Examples of coding resume. I don't want like medical stuff though. Hold on. Software engineer. Hey. Whoops. That's no. Yes. Okay. Software engineer. Over 6 years of experience in full stack development. So obviously we don't have a job yet. So we can't list a job. But what we can do, I'm going to put my, this is my, I have a production company, and this is, or should I? That's the email. Python, we'll start in education. Like portion. Is that a little big? And what's the, like, why is it like space like this? There we go. Education. Python. Here we go. Okay, we have a heading. So we have Python and Python. And let's mention something like we saw in the example, like started with started. Oh, man, what's a good way to phrase this? Have been coding since 2023. Right? It's a hard thing, like, you don't want to lie, but you also want to sound good. How am I going to get my first job? I'm going to be terrified when I get my first, like, gig, if you will. Job, even. Built a cipher. I mean, we did, right? Sorry it's, like, lagging because of... It's probably, I mean, I'm assuming it's because I have Premiere and Coder and Photoshop open and stuff like that. Cipher that can encrypt and decrypt text using a key. Oops. Can we get... I wonder if we should... This is what we should do. Hold on. Let's take this. We're going to copy it. We're going to make a new document. And we're going to just copy this in. Whoa, it kept the colors. Wait, no, it didn't keep the colors. It's new colors. How does Word know? Oh, wait, no, it did keep the colors. Oh, no, it didn't. Okay. I mean, because I don't want to lose this, because we did this. You know what I mean? Cipher, Python, Cipher project. That sounds okay, right? I don't know. Can you guys see? Yeah. It's nothing, really. But it's a start. It's a start. Okay. So, now that we have that, I just wanted to start that. Now that we have the beginning of the resume, and we've marked down that we've done this, let's just move on to the next one. Learn how to work with numbers and strings by implementing the learn algorithm. Oh, excuse me. This is not very long. Or not as long, I should say. We'll just do a number of these tonight. Nice and easy, you know. Step 1. In this project, you will implement the learn algorithm. This algorithm is a formula to validate a variety of identification numbers. Start by declaring a function called main. Just right off the rip, making a function, huh? Use the pass keyword to avoid an error. What? How do I use the keyword? Honestly, we're probably, since everything's being so laggy right now, we're probably only going to do like 2 of these, if I'm honest with you. It's so laggy. Like, I hit Control V, and it just now went. Give me something. Oh. Then what? So, pass? The deuce, man. Oh, my word. Get rid of that. Is really not hold my hand, huh? Oh, here we go. Define. Pass. Let's try this. Well, I forgot the Come on, man. In your code. So hold on. What does it have to be in there? Oh my gosh, that's it. Awesome. Cool. Okay, one more. Replace the pass statement with a variable named car number, and then I'm just going to paste that mess in. Whoops. Do I need to use the... Needs the dashes. Cool. Okay. So that's it. That's all we're doing today. Simple enough. I've got encoder chugging away, so we're going to let that chug away. Thank you guys so much for watching. Tomorrow we will just hop back into this. We'll just, keep doing this. And when the time comes, I don't know what we're going to add, how we're going to add this to the resume, but we'll add to the resume. But now we have a resume, so that's kind of cool. But hope you guys had a great weekend and a strong start to the week. But I will be back tomorrow. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Post comments below if you have a prayer request. I'd love to know how I can be praying for you guys. But love God, love people, and I will see you guys soon.